Alright, so here's the second replacement for my Ames 1200 watt inverter from Amazon. And I think they put some packing material in it this time. And the box ain't damaged. At least not that much. A couple little dents and bangs here and there. So let's see what's in here. Ah, yeah, right, okay. Time for a refund from Amazon. I can't believe this bullshit. Well, there you go, folks. You see it. It's damaged. Third one in a row. I'm through with Amazon. Time to go to the manufacturer and buy a good one that they ship out, properly packaged, secure, and not damaged, and not banging around in the box and transport.